netizen banyak marah lah Trump is coming. But does Malaysia as the chairman of ASEAN wants Trump to come?
That is kita punya tanggungjawab, responsibility. Kita jangan tengok Malaysia ni sebagai country saja. Kita kena tengok Malaysia ni sebagai chairman of ASEAN. Which is also in the geopolitical game. Kan? ASEAN ni dia nak tabik siapa? Dia nak tabik West or dia nak tabik China. Kan? And then the same time ASEAN ni dia trade dengan US punya ally, which are Taiwan, South Korea and Japan. And China always been the largest trading partner of ASEAN. And even now, ASEAN is China largest trading partner. Kita kena tengok, memang orang akan marah pasal Trump datang, tak datang kan. So, kita kena balance dua-dua lah kan.
In your opinion, Doktor, adakah Malaysia patut maintain an equidistance between China dengan US? Or should we choose one over the other?
I think Malaysia should play by the ear, orang kata.
By the ear?
Ini macam kita balancing lah. So, bila ada, sebab benda ni, kita geopolitik ni cepat sangat berubah. Kita tak boleh kata, okay, lepas ni kita part dengan China. Kita tak tentu lagi. Kita tak tahu lepas ni. Kan?
Sebab China pun kita ada isu kat Spratly, the 9 dash line semua tu. So, why does China, given that they want to position themselves as our partner, in some sense, kenapa dia masih provoke Malaysia dengan the 9 dash lines punya claim tu?
Kena faham China ni dia politically dia socialist. Dia military base at the back. So military dia always want to ni lah and expand and dominate.
Right.
So these are all the political thing yang kita kena balance. Kita tak boleh main support one side saja.